the expression, a mini dialogue, the dialogue that allows you to express what's alive in you, what's your need, what's your request. You can only say things from I point of view. I think, I feel, I got, I sense, I realized. So all statements from I. If we comes, it will be, I may have to just raise my hand and that means you can't continue. You have to change it to I. One voice at a time. Even silence is contribution. There is no need, everyone need to express. And we do this for about 10 minutes and see how it goes. At a time, maximum 2 sentences. After 2 sentences, you take mindful pause. Let somebody talk and then maybe again you can resume. But 2 sentences is max. Anyone can start. You don't have to look at me. I'm not in the circle. I'm in the circle, but I'm not controlling it. Everything belongs to you. The space belongs to you. Open your eyes and when you're ready, start. I'm tired, but I'm enjoying it.
I got to know about the importance of just putting structure and not using the tools subconsciously but consciously.
I'm excited about the possibilities.
I'm raring to go and apply.
I'm learning and I'm happy.
I'm feeling more connected with the group. I'm feeling more connected with the group.
I'm grateful for my curiosity.
I realize the importance of knowing you.
It's really weird that this process are designed just like that. But after having this session, everything is connected. It's not just like it is designed, like do this, do that, but there is some intention behind the design.
I'm happy about my decision to be here.
I'm grateful for the perspective which are coming towards me from all the friends. I'm thinking about the vastness of this particular topic.
I'm regretting not being here before and coming so late to learn this. But I'm happy that I finally made it.
I may have had my doubts about health, and now I feel there is something holistic about this trip to this place.
I feel there is so much of gift that I can give to others by leveraging what I'm gaining.
Very excited to be using all of these tools and techniques in the upcoming TTT I have to conduct.
I'm starting to have a belief that the universe would give me more opportunities for exercising this in the future.
I'm excited of the family that I've created. I'm thankful to her for bringing me here.
I feel this break was required for me to probably rework on my health. Thankful and gratitude.
I resonate with my silence and hence feel more in love with the entire process.
I think facilitation can be magic.
I'm excited for the evening.
I notice so much when they relate my spiritual journey to facilitation. It's about detachment, it's about witness, it's about being like Shiva.
I'm thinking that there are so many people in and around us who are ready to support for everything. So that support system is getting built for me, is what I'm thinking.
I feel in my learning journey, this was a very required element. The right thing happened at the right time.
I feel my aircraft which was on the runway has taken off.
I feel like I didn't give myself the exit.
I feel the energy in the room is so powerful that whether you slept a night before, there was no electricity, anything, but somehow I didn't even yawn the entire day. It's very powerful. I could feel the difference in how we started and how we are, we are about to finish.
I think facilitation can be a reason not to sleep.
Yeah, absolutely. Totally agree.
With all the fans on.
Come on.
Though it has been mentioned, I genuinely feel that it's like being with your family. The concern, the free flow of empathy, the acceptance is, it makes you emotional because outside this, the world is not as accepting and not as. So every hand that reached out to me to help from yesterday to today, I believe it's God's hand, pushing me to be better.
Facilitation is a space of love. It's a space of love. Love for your participants, love for each other.
I'm happy I didn't eat the bhajia today.
I'm also happy I reminded you not to eat anything.
Also, I'm very grateful that being into freelancing, you don't have peers. But somewhere I feel that I found my peer group and my family. I'm grateful that the chai pati in the morning got over from the chai wala bhaiya after I got my tea. I'm looking forward to a wonderful day tomorrow as well.
I'm looking forward to this bond growing beyond these 6 days. The respect and acceptance mutually continues.
Who's needed this? Who's needed this?
I'm just realizing that there is so much to learn, and the more I come here, the more I learn, I feel there is so much more to learn.
It's more to do with discovering what you don't know rather than what you know.
Also about what do you do with what you know.
True.
Each intervention, different insight for me.
I feel I'm going to put myself back to 6.5 for me. And I'll tell you why. Because I feel I use multiple things, but to put a structure is a different thing. Because it's subconsciously we're using everything, but putting names in is something which can help me use it consciously. I feel you can do so much with nothing.
I think our minds, I think for me, the mind is opening up. We're able to think about the various possibilities within one concept, within one process. There's just so much you can do. You can run the whole program with that one process.
For me, the experiential learning is I have some experience of doing what we are learning, what I'm learning today, since yesterday. And I'm reflecting back every time to see what I did well and what I could have done differently. So the experiential learning is like connecting back to my past few sessions and continuously referring to, oh, what I could have. And that's so rich.
John has come.
John has come.
John has come.
John has come.
John has come already.
He just came to sit on this chair.
Julie also came now.
वो बेचारी चल के मारे उसकी हवाइयाँ उड़ गई.
Expression of the.
She has not one chair.
She was not there.
You're not there when John and
She's an expression.
these are metaphorical things saying that your soul has to be.
It's
Cats.
I already know your fear of cats. If it was cat, I would have told you.
I thought this like is grass and
John is coming today.
John has already arrived.
She was not scared of ghosts. You know, she's scared of cats. She was thinking about cat. You know, your internal fears.
So John is the spirit of learning, and in our experience, past 20 odd batches, sometimes John don't come. People still focus on the processes and transactional things, and this goes beyond that. So John has arrived, I think, yesterday, and so John will always be there. It is the spirit of learning, spirit of facilitation, and that's the reason that center piece is there. Answers that facilitators or human beings do not have, we surrender questions to that space and await the answers for us to dawn within us. So we would prefer not standing in the way, saying that, oh, I have an answer. I know something, and therefore you also know something. Collectively we know so much. Still, if we have questions for which if there is no answer, then John answers that. That spirit dwells there. That is a piece, centerpiece, and it's a heritage of ICA. They would never say, I know and I will tell. They would say, what we all together don't know, there are questions there and answer will emerge.
You have been keep I can ask.
No. The second time in a day I am telling you no upfront. So we close this learning space for today. Definitely spill over in the evening, and in the evening will be different beings, but learning remains with us. We as a facilitator, we give high respect and regard for the space. ये हमारी कर्म भूमि है. And when we open the space in the morning, there is a way in which we do it, and this is how we say thank you to that space of learning. And well, I mean, that's a gratitude to the space, and we close the space for today, and we're ready to open it tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes? Good, thank you. So shake hand with everyone and say thank you. Which one?
You promised me a special visitation to the fresh room. You need to tell them.
Oh, yes. There's a contract point. When Dr. Swati is here, because of her constraints, okay, she requested that can she use the gents' washroom. So all the gents, if you have to go to washroom first find out if Swati is here. And if she is not here, make sure, knock and then go inside.
I'm sorry for bothering.
No, that's okay. That's the support system. That's the support system.
Going down
I
the
forgot. Going down and coming up is a challenge for her.
No, but then I was waiting for the end of the day to remind you. Okay.
I'm so really sorry. She asked me yesterday. I should have done this today morning itself.
No,
My mistake.
We were all so engrossed in today's morning session, yesterday's discussion. My perspective.
And what happens is many people tell me, अच्छा भाई आपका DTA प्रोग्राम क्या है जरा ईमेल में भेजो. 4 पेज के ब्रोशर में ये फीलिंग भेज सकता हूँ क्या मैं? That's where me and Shekhar get stuck. And look at him, he's a very happy person.
He's in love, with love. And that shows on his face.
That's true. Good. Thank you. See you in the evening. We can always do that.
Generally,
Corroborate our support.
Just put one hand down and one hand up when you're holding hands of people. One hand down, one hand up.
One hand up.
Let her hold your hand. अपना हाथ नीचे रखो ना. हाँ, that's it.
That's up. This is down. This is up.
One hand up, one hand up.
One to give, one to take. ऐसे.
हाँ.
Oh, sir, लंबे up and down ठीक है.
Good.
Yes, we good.
Thank you all. Thank you. So evening post dinner we will do the party. Unfortunately,
Dinner
I don't know.
7:30, no?
Dinner is 7:38. ऐसा चालू होगा. After that we sit outside. Alcohol is not mandatory. We will make sure you are coming.